Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix 007 first light game not launching or not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated with latest or not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check for the game updates. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, you have to press Xbox symbol on a controller. Now move down and to profile and system. After that, select settings, click on system, click on console info, then select reset console. After that, select reset and keep my games and apps option, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage. Now choose clear persistent storage, and after that, launch the game and check. Remove and re-add account. First press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, select remove option. After that, add the account again, and after that, launch the game and check. Reinstall 007 First Light game. Now press Xbox button controller, after that move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select 007 First Light game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open 007 First Light official website and download the game, and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support, tell them the issue you're coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about their. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.